Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to backup phone contacts to Gmail. So right now I'll show you how to easily backup thousands of phone contacts to Gmail from Android phone. Follow these easy steps. Go ahead and launch your Contacts app, and now tap on this menu icon. Tap on Manage Contacts. Now tap on Export Contacts. And here you have to select internal storage. So first of all, we will export all contacts in our internal storage. Then we will upload the exported file to our Gmail. So tap on internal storage, tap on next or export. Once done, tap on OK. Now go to your Files app, go to Downloads folder, and here you will see this contacts.vcf file. So this is our contacts files. Now we will upload this file to our Gmail. So go ahead and launch your Google Chrome browser and sign into your Gmail ID, in which Gmail ID you want to import your contacts. Now in this search box, type here my Google account, search for it. Now here scroll down and open Google account. Once you are in your Google account, tap on this app icon, and here tap on Contacts. And here select Stay on Web. And now it's time to upload our phone contacts here. To do that, tap on this hamburger menu at the top left and select Import. And tap on Select File. And here select Media Picker. And now here you should see contact VCF file that you just exported, or you can go to your downloads folder here and search for the contact file. Once the file selected, just tap on Import, and as you can see, my contacts are importing. And once done, as you can see, all of my phone contacts are successfully added on my Gmail. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.